Hello friends, today I will show you my very simple and easy bullet journal setup for November 2020. For this setup I have used dotted notebook, a black fineliner, a black brush pen and a ruler. I like my journal to be simple and minimal, so I use very simple doodle each month that can be created with only pen and not overpowered with lots of colors. I have chosen feather as my theme this month. It is very easy to draw yet looks very vintage style, reminding me of the Harry Potter magic lessons. In the left side of the front page, I have used a quote, "The magic is in you." I have divided my monthly goal page as goals that I want to achieve, tasks that I need to perform, and events which are scheduled for this month. For the monthly view, I have used the simple layout to get an overview of each day or if I need to migrate anything from the future log. I haven't used calendar layout here as I think it takes lots of unnecessary time to draw. Also, the boxes don't have enough space to write in it. I think this layout is more logical and easy to use. But I may need a small calendar layout as well to view the month at a glance, which I will add in the front page later. In the following page, I will write down my random ideas. I have missed A in the spelling. I don't know, I always miss something when I write in caps. Anyway, mistakes are part of life and journal as well. I'll fix this later with whitener. In the habit tracker this month, I will focus on yoga, meditation, YouTube, Instagram, healthy eating and reading. Please let me know in the comment section which habits you are going to track this month in your bullet journal. I may take inspiration from you for my next month's habit tracker. In the next weekly log section, I will create a separate block for my weekly goals. I actually divide my monthly goals into separate weekly goals as well to make it more achievable and more accountable. And then I will create my each day's different blocks. I have combined my Friday and Saturday in a same block because I don't have much thing to write down on the Saturday because it's kind of free day for me. As I said earlier, I will create a little monthly calendar in my front page to get an overview of the month quickly. This is it. With this, I have completed my November bullet journal setup. So let's do a quick flip through. If you like this setup, please let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to see you again in my next video. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, and live life creatively. Goodbye.